In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and collaborate on a whiteboard in Canva. To get started, open Canva and sign into your account. If you're already logged in, that's perfect. If not, just enter your account details and head to the home screen. Canva's interface is designed to be beginner-friendly, so even if this is your first time using it, you should be able to follow along easily. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner and click Create a Design. This is where you begin any new project in Canva. After clicking it, you'll see a search bar and a variety of design types you can choose from. In the search field, type whiteboard or simply select whiteboard if it appears in the suggested options. This will open a workspace specifically designed for brainstorming, planning, and visual collaboration. Next, choose whether you want to start with a blank whiteboard or use a template. A blank whiteboard is great if you want complete freedom to organize your ideas your own way. On the other hand, a template can save time and give you a helpful structure, especially if you're working on things like mind maps, project planning, workflows, or team brainstorming sessions. Pick the option that best fits what you're trying to create. Now it's time to build your whiteboard. Use tools like sticky notes, shapes, text, and drawings to lay out your ideas clearly. Sticky notes are useful for quick thoughts, tasks, or brainstorming points. Shapes can help separate sections or show relationships between ideas. Text boxes are great when you want more detailed information or labels, and drawing tools can help you sketch connections or make the board feel more visual and dynamic. As you work, try to keep your layout organized so everything stays easy to read and understand. When your whiteboard is ready, or even while you're still working on it, click Share to collaborate with your team in real time. This makes it easy for others to view, edit, and contribute directly to the board, depending on the access settings you choose. Real-time collaboration is especially helpful for group planning, meetings, and creative sessions, because everyone can add input in one place. And that's it. By opening Canva, creating a whiteboard, choosing a blank layout or template, adding your content with the built-in tools, and sharing it with others, you can quickly turn ideas into a clear, collaborative visual workspace.